Hello guys, welcome to Rock Android. So this is our first episode on the class how to make money from YouTube, and the first thing we're going to be looking at is creating your Gmail first. So what you're going to do is that you're going to click on the top right icon, the icon on the top right corner. You can as well use your existing Gmail for your new YouTube account. So I'm going through the first procedure of creating the first one, and then you click that plus on top. Then it takes you to your phone's setting where you can enter your password and then create a new Gmail account. Okay, so after loading, it takes you to a sign-in page. Then you click on create account, and then you create for myself, and then you input your details, the required details. You input it in the first name and how. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.